Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So, as you all know, I have started to give binary option signals every single day at YouTube. And I want to do something with Forex also. But I wanted to have something that is automatically for Forex because results come in quite late sometimes for trades, and when you copy me, we will not have the same view of that you can see that we're doing good as we can do with bind option, because there we get the trades and we know we win like 30 seconds later. So I have decided to do something different for Forex. So I found this broker here, and I also wanted something that is worldwide. So I found a broker that works worldwide and everyone have a possibility to copy what I'm going to do right now. So, first of all, sign up now with this broker up here if you want to be copying, because basically we are going to copy people automatically. You also later will be able to copy my trades, because I will later activate so I can have a master account here also, so you can copy all my trades automatically. Okay, but that is for later. I do not have account for that yet, but I will have it later. Also, you find a link below the video if you want to sign up with this broker. So what we're going to do is we are going to start with something called copy trading. You can copy traders just like me that are professional and are making profit every single day. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy trading now, and then we are going to see if we can find ourselves some people that we can copy. So let's see. Here we of course need to take our time to figure out which ones to copy. I think I did find one. What was the name of this person? Safe Trade or something like that, wasn't it? Let me see, what was the name of this? So let me see now. The one I'm looking for is Trusty Trader, I think was that. Trust. Let me see if I can write correct here. Trust. Let me see if there we have it. Trustable Trader. That's the first one I want to be copying, I think. So let's set up a copy trading for this one. I was looking. I don't look for the best, I don't look for the worst. I try to find something in between. So let's see now how the commission here is 30%. And I'm also looking for people that have been long time with the broker. I don't want for someone that will be just trading for 5 days, you know. That will be for you when the time you come and you join me. They will say like 3 days with us, because basically I will not have any records. So, but for now I don't have a master account here. So now let's see what we do. This is new for me. I did transfer basically $154. So let's see if we can start to grow that here. Let's set up equal x1 74. Okay. To get 50% bonus. Okay, we can do that. Why not? And let's start copying. There, now we have started copying him. Let's find another one. Let's go to copy trading. Where we do that? Copy area. Okay. We are now copying the first, but how we go back to where we were? Sorry that I'm completely new here also. This is basically like we are here for the first time. Let's go to personal area. Okay, okay, we can go from here. Then we have copy trading down here. And let's choose another one. I did search another one. Let's see. We are looking for the one risk people, you know. Let's go into this one. Let's see. He have also been, as you can see, 30 days. And let's take a look at the trades he have done. So this is closer today. You see he do one lot size. And let's check open trades. And we see that it's nothing crazy. It's not crazy things in minus. And I like that. Yesterday also I see he's quite active. So let's copy this one also. We have minimum investment of 25. So let's set up a copy for this one. Let's take a double here. So we take a $50 on this one. And let's start copy. So then we have just $30 left. I think we can leave that for now and maybe find someone else like this one that have a $25 or something. And you see he don't have so much equity, so it's safe to trade with people, because people with low equity, they will be more careful with the little money they have. So that's why we copy him. So, and you see there are quite a lot of people copying him, so let's see. So then we keep it as that. Let's see how we will do, and it will be fun to see if we make someone with this. There will be an update video tomorrow, and we can start to see if we start to get some money from the trades we are doing. Of course, it's a little late in day today. I think this updates just once a day, but by the way, I will make a video tomorrow. Maybe it's no trades taken, we will see, but we will see at least what is taken, and we can see if it's something that we would have taken ourselves. So once again, if you want to join and copy trading together with me, and later on you can even copy my trades, make sure you join with the link below the video, and let's see if we can have some fun with this and make a lot of money. Passively, basically automatically. It's the best type of money. So let's do that, and I'll see you on the next video.